How to delete all files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, scroll down and go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All beside Save to iCloud. You can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud. And then, go to iCloud Drive. Over here, go to Manage Storage. Scroll down to the end and tap on Delete Data from iCloud. Alternatively, go back to the Settings page and tap on General. And then, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Erase all content and settings. Then, tap on Continue to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily delete all files on iPhone.